channel. Today we're doing something a little special. We're picking up a project car, and this is gonna be my son Chase's first car. What do you think?
I'm beyond excited for it. We're getting close to go get it, and it is a Ford Mustang. It's always been my dream car, and it's gonna be a project car for us.
What year is it?
1997 Ford Mustang.
Sweet. And it's a manual too, isn't it?
And it is a manual.
Well, this is gonna be cool. We got the trailer. We're about to go pick it up now, so we'll see y'all in a little bit.
You guys get to see my view. Let's do this. All right, so there's the Mustang.
You pull the ramps out, I'll get these
All right.
straps.
So that's the Mustang, and so we're gonna get on the trailer.
Next time, don't close the hood all the way.
Okay.
In case we gotta jump it off again.
So yeah, this is the engine, and she's gonna need a lot of work to her.
Heavy though.
What, about 3,500?
Well, I mean, they don't make cars damn heavy anymore. I had a little red truck. My son used it, and the motor blew up in that damn thing. Fucking just take it to scrap.
Alright guys, check out this jump box. This battery is way dead, and this thing is jumping this car off like it's nothing. That's amazing. Alright, just sit it down gently.
All right, here we go.
Just a little, straighten up. Just a hair. Slow. Slow down. Hey, hold up. You gotta make real subtle movements on the trailer. So you need to go to the left a little bit and get the ease forward. Alright, straighten up. Go to the left of the pad. Just subtle movements. Go back straight. Straighten up. Alright, stop forward. A little more. A little more. You should. Is it rolled all the way up? Okay, you're good.
All right, so we got her on the trailer, and so
That was fun.
get this hook.
Oh, is the window manual or auto? Hey, pop the hood back up.
All right, I just had it. I didn't close it all the way.
That's alright. It looks like it might rain, so we want to put the window up.
Oh my God, what is this hood?
I don't know, they don't work just right. We'll fix it.
Yeah, that's gonna be another fix.
You gotta like push it to the left. That gripper.
Yeah, that's definitely a replacement we need to that. So what it's doing is like when you push it in, it won't release this.
There you go. This jump box is sick, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Shout out to Taylor Ray. I used his coupon code the other day when I had got one because I've been wanting one, and this thing is sick.
Oh, I guess I gotta get out the window.
It won't open.
Hell no.
Once you get out, it'll probably clear. Did you find it? Which one, the white one? That's fine.
Go ahead and give me that so I can pick it up.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, you'll be on YouTube too.
What is it?
Hope you don't mind.
Videoing it right now.
Hope you don't mind.
What is the name of that?
Rev Hard Garage.
I like my shirt.
Dad, do you want me to close it all the way? There we go.
I love this jump box.
Yeah, I need to get me one of these.
This is like the coolest thing ever.
How much
man.
you pay for that one?
$60 on Amazon.
But so we got her on there. It is a 5-speed Mustang, and she's gonna need a lot of work to her.
That's pretty exciting, man.
We need a name for her. I need a name her.
It works great.
Go ahead, there it is. Just go ahead and follow me if you need to.
So,
But yeah, we'll see you, man.
all right, man.
Thank you, sir.
All right, buddy. Working today, man? Yeah. I got about 5 hours looking for the farm.
All right, so we got the car.
Yep.
Let's go. Hey, give you the keys already?
Yeah, they're in the back seat right here.
All right. Stop by the car wash and wash both trucks. Well, wash truck and a car.
I don't want to use the AC until we get cruising.
Yeah. I don't know if you want to film this long, but that's up to you.
You can pretty much kill it.
All right.
You know.
All right, guys. We'll see you.
We'll put it in the garage later when we get home.
All right, guys. We'll see you when we get home.
All right, guys. We made it back. Got the car in the garage. Kind of went over it a little bit and was checking some stuff out. So hopefully you guys will enjoy this build. We really don't know what we're gonna do with it right now. I can pretty much promise you that this little V6 is going away. It's got a severely blown head gasket, and I would imagine that the head's probably warped. So by the time I go through all the trouble of trying to fix this thing up, and also it was smoking pretty bad too, so you know, if I went through all the trouble of rebuilding this engine and sourcing heads or whatever, you know, it's probably gonna be easier just to just swap it, you know. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I am a fan of 4.6s. It's pretty much, there's only two Ford engines I've ever really liked, the 300 inline 6 and the 4.6, because they're pretty much bulletproof. So there's a possibility we might just throw a 4.6 in here, and there's also a strong possibility that we may just throw a 5.3 or 4.8 Chevy motor in here, you know, get the haters stirred up a little bit. So we'll just have to see, you know, how things go, what we can make to the transmission. I have not done much research on this yet. So aside from maintenance type stuff, I've never really done a whole lot of work, extensive work on a Ford Mustang. So maybe on the older 5.0s, but not these newer ones. So anyway, I'm looking forward to that. I hope you guys are too. You know, get something a little different on the channel. Unless we do a LS swap, then it'll be pretty much exactly like everything on the channel. So anyway, y'all stay tuned. You know, we'll be working on this one off and on. You know, not sure exactly when, but it'll pop up. And we got some more content coming soon for the Trailblazer, and of course we're about to get started heavy on this Nissan Skyline. So appreciate you guys being patient. I haven't had a lot of videos out lately. Just been real busy, stuff around the house, and you know, just working on cars, stuff that, you know, didn't really warrant any filming, you know, like rebuilding transmissions and stuff like that. You know, I've already got a couple videos on rebuilding transmissions, so not really much of a point in doing that. So, but as soon as we get to it, get some of this stuff going, you know, we'll get some videos rolling out again. So hopefully very soon we're gonna hit the track with the Trailblazer. So you know, whatever opens up around here first. I know there's a lot of tracks open, but they're not really around here, you know, around the Atlanta area. So I'm waiting on Friday night drags or something to open up. So as soon as that happens, we're gonna get, you know, some runs down the track with the Trailblazer. So you guys look for that. Anyway, I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you later.